Alright, this is my new Vapor Inferno. It's got a pretty little cover on it. I've got a cartridge atomizer on it, and this is tobacco flavor. This is how much vapor it produces right here. It's a lot. If you couldn't see, I'm going to do another one that doesn't blow towards the camera.
Oh, you will like this.
It's a lot. I'm going to take this one off. I'm going to put this regular atomizer on it. That's a regular atomizer with a drip tip where you just put drops right into it. And this is vanilla. It's pretty much awesome. Yeah, so this video is for friends, and I know the camera quality sucks, so thanks. Yeah.